One apple plus one more. How many apples do we score? One plus one, it's easy to see. Two apples smiling at me. Two oranges plus three. Count them all. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5, hooray! Adding numbers every day. Add, 1 plus 1. Learning math is so much fun. 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2. Adding numbers, me and you. 4 pencils plus 2 more. Count them all, then explore. 4 plus 2 makes 6, hooray! Adding numbers is our play. 5 birds plus 3 fly by. Count with me, reach the sky. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Adding numbers feels so great. Add, 1 plus 1. Learning math is so much fun. 4 plus 2, 5 plus 3. Adding numbers, you and me. 2 groups of 2, what do we see? 2 times 2 equals 4, yippee! 3 groups of 3, count with me. 3 times 3 equals 9, hooray! 4 groups of 2, let's go. Count them fast, now we know. 4 times 2 is 8, hooray! Multiplication is fun to play. 5 groups of 3, jump and cheer. Count them all, loud and clear. 5 times 3 equals 15. Learning math is really keen. Multiply, multiply, 1 by 1. Learning math is so much fun. 2 times 2, 3 times 3. Multiplication, you and you. Add the apples and multiply. Math is fun, let's reach the sky. 1 plus 2, 3 times 2. See the numbers as they grew. Add, 1 plus 1. Multiply, multiply, 2 by 1. Math adventure, count and play. Fun with numbers every day.